In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word, an essential skill that can make your documents look polished and professional. Whether you're working on a research paper, a bibliography, or any document that requires specific formatting, mastering the hanging indent is a useful tool to have in your arsenal. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word document. Once your document is ready, identify which paragraph or paragraphs you'd like to apply the hanging indent to. This is often used for cited work or lists, where the first line starts at the left margin and the following lines are indented. Now that you've selected the text, let's move on to the formatting part. Navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the window. Within the Home tab, look for the Paragraph group. Here you'll see a small arrow in the bottom right corner. Clicking this arrow will open the Paragraph Settings dialog box. This box is where you'll make the changes necessary to create the hanging indent. Inside the Paragraph Settings, focus your attention on the Indentation section. You'll find a drop-down menu labeled Special. Click on this menu and choose the option labeled Hanging. This option is specifically designed to set your paragraph with a hanging indent format, where the first line begins at the margin and all subsequent lines are indented. After selecting Hanging, you'll see a box next to it labeled By. In this input box, you have the option to set the size of the indent. A common standard is 0.5 inches, but you can adjust this according to your specific needs or document requirements. With your settings decided, click the OK button to apply the changes you've made. Congratulations, you now have a beautifully formatted paragraph with a hanging indent. As a bonus tip, there's an alternative way to achieve this using the ruler feature in Word, which offers a more visual approach. First, ensure your ruler is visible. If it's not, head to the View tab and check the box labeled Ruler. Once the ruler is visible above your document, you'll notice markers that help you set margins and indents. To create a hanging indent, focus on the lower triangle on the ruler, the left indent marker. Click and drag this marker to define where you'd like the body of your paragraph to start. Next, take the top triangle, known as the hanging indent marker, and drag it back toward the left. This action will shift your paragraph's lines, creating that distinctive hanging look. And there you have it, a hanging indent achieved through straightforward steps in Microsoft Word. These techniques not only elevate the aesthetic of your text, but also enhance clarity and organization. Happy formatting!